Hey guys, today we are going to talk about best laptops under 50,000 Indian rupees. No matter in which field you are working, either maybe you are a student, engineer, or maybe a doctor. If you have a powerful laptop with you, then your life will become more easy and simple for day-to-day usage. Now the first question arises in your mind is what kind of laptop we have to buy? What specific things we have to keep in mind before buying a laptop? Well, I am here to answer all your queries. So without further ado, let's get started.